everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Let's go to the next question, which will be, do you have a favorite place to shop for makeup? Sephora. I love buying stuff from Sephora. When I used to be seller online, I used to buy a bunch of stuff from Sephora. It's amazing site, and I have a lot of good stuff, so it's one of my favorite places. So if I have Sephora here, I would just go for it. If I can be in America, I will just jump into the first Sephora shop I'm gonna find and just stay there. But otherwise, just buy from a store I have here in my city. It's a good one. I know it has all original brands, but at the same time, it has a lot of stuff too. So yeah, if one popular place everyone knows about will be Sephora. So yeah, this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.